I bought and tested these top audiophile speaker cables so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. As a true audio enthusiast, I understand how crucial the right cables are for your sound system. Let's dive into the details and find the best options for your setup.
Product number 1, Mica 14-gauge pure copper speaker cables, 6.6 feet. My journey with the Mica 14-gauge pure copper speaker cables began when I was setting up my home theater. I was looking for a reliable pair of cables that wouldn't break the bank, but would still deliver exceptional audio quality. When I unboxed the Mica cables, I was impressed by their construction. These cables come with a staggering 245 fine strands per conductor, which makes them incredibly flexible and durable. This is crucial for anyone who values sound quality, as more strands mean lower resistance and better conductivity. The gold-plated banana plugs are a game changer, providing a solid connection that minimizes signal loss. It's reassuring to know that these cables are hand-assembled, ensuring that every joint is soldered with care, which translates to durability and optimal audio signal transfer. The ultra-slim connector design is a blessing for anyone who hates clutter. It fits snugly into my equipment without leaving any exposed metal. Pros include their impressive construction quality, flexibility, and the clear audio they provide. However, one downside is that they may not be long enough for larger setups, so consider that before purchasing. Overall, if you're looking for a reliable, well-constructed speaker cable that won't cost you an arm and a leg, the Mica 14-gauge cables are a fantastic choice. They elevate your audio experience without complicating your setup, making them a must-buy for anyone serious about sound.
Product number 2, Mica 14-gauge pure copper speaker cables at 13 feet each. When I upgraded my home audio system, I needed longer cables to connect my speakers to the amplifier. Enter the Mica 14-gauge pure copper speaker cables at 13 feet each. Right out of the box, the quality was apparent. The cables are constructed with 245 fine strands of pure copper, which means they're not only flexible, but also incredibly durable. I loved the gold-plated banana plugs, which provide a solid connection. This ensures that I get the best sound quality without worrying about signal loss. The dual-layer jacket design is another thoughtful feature. It protects the cable from wear while maintaining flexibility, which is vital when routing cables through tight spaces. The pros are clear. These cables offer impressive performance, a solid build, and they're surprisingly affordable. However, for those who might need even longer lengths, it could be a limitation. Despite that, I would recommend these cables without hesitation. They made a noticeable difference in my audio setup and are worth every penny if you're looking to enhance your listening experience.
Product number 3, Gearit 12AWG speaker cable wire. Using the Gearit 12AWG speaker cable wire was a revelation for me. I connected my speakers to my AV receiver and immediately noticed the clarity of sound. The 99.9% oxygen-free copper OFC construction means there's minimal interference, allowing for crisp, clear sound. I was particularly impressed by the braided design. Not only does it look professional, but it also provides extra protection against wear and tear. The banana plugs made installation straightforward, and the color-coded ends helped me avoid any connection mistakes. Pros include the high-quality materials and the aesthetically pleasing braided jacket. However, the only downside is that they are slightly more expensive than some alternatives. But in my experience, the investment is worth it for the superior sound quality. If you want to ensure your speakers are connected with the best possible cable, the Gearit speaker cable wire is an excellent option that brings out the best in your audio setup. Product number 4, YYTCG 10AWG Audiophile speaker cable. When I first tried the YYTCG 10AWG Audiophile speaker cable, I was blown away by the balanced audio response. The 4N oxygen-free copper conductors deliver rich sound across the spectrum, bass that hits hard, mids that are warm, and highs that are crystal clear. The multi-shielding design is another great feature, blocking out EMI RFI interference, which made a noticeable difference in my listening sessions. I also appreciated the heavy-duty nylon breeded jacket. It's tough and tangle-free, which is a huge plus for anyone who has ever dealt with messy cables. The pros are the exceptional sound quality, durable construction, and ease of use. The only con I found was that the price point is higher compared to standard cables, but honestly, you get what you pay for. If you're serious about audio quality and want to unlock your system's potential, this YYTCG cable is a worthy investment. Product number 5, Nakamichi Excel Series Speaker Cable. I've had the pleasure of using the Nakamichi Excel Series speaker cable, and it has truly enhanced my audio experience. The 24K gold-plated banana plugs ensure a reliable connection, while the dual-conductor, oxygen-free copper construction provides clear sound with minimal degradation. The non-conductive sleeves are a smart feature, making it easy to identify speaker polarity and preventing shorts. I love the fact that Nakamichi has been in the audio game since 1948, which adds to my confidence in their products. The pros are the premium materials, durability, and secure connections. On the downside, they are on the pricier side, but considering their longevity and performance, I believe they are worth every dollar. For anyone looking for a reliable and high-quality option, the Nakamichi Excel series is an investment that will pay off in the long run.
In conclusion, each of these speaker cables offers something unique to enhance your audio experience. Whether you're after flexibility, durability, or pure sound quality, there's a perfect option for you. Don't skip on cables. They can make all the difference in your audio setup.